Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. You found your way back to me. I'm so happy. Guys, welcome back. We're going to talk benefits of meal prepping. There is so many benefits to meal prepping that I find very useful, and I also do know that some people might find it daunting. You might find it daunting, but I meal prep in small portion, and the bulk of my meal prep is usually because I commute and I'm on the road a lot, and I also have to try and maintain my channel, and I'm trying to get to the gym, do my fitness. So meal prepping is very, very important for me. When I don't meal prep, I find that I'm not on track with my weight loss journey or just with my health journey. When I don't meal prep, I'm definitely not on track on my health journey, because this is the time where I just pick what is convenient rather than what is necessary. So definitely, guys, if you are new to the channel and you've never come across this channel, welcome. Please do me a massive favor, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content from me. I really do appreciate your support. So guys, what I'm basically sharing with you is on this occasion, for some reason I've been eating quite a bit of pasta. Usually I don't eat it because it's very high carbs, but I've been when I go to work, making pasta is very convenient for me. So right now I'm just making a simple pasta salad. I've got gherkin in there, I've got tomatoes, I've got cucumber, I've got what else, I've got some olives in there, and I've got some mixed bell peppers. I really wanted it to be quite colorful, so I've got quite a mixture in there. So you've got the crunch, the sweetness, a bit of the salt. So that is basically what I'm going to be eating for the next 2 days, and the pasta to a nice tender consistency, and everything else I just diced and chopped to the size of my liking. So it's this is very straightforward, and all I'm going to do now is basically just do the sauce, because I like to mix my own sauces. I don't really like to buy sauces from the shop, because I find that they do have a lot of sugar and a lot of junk in there. So I like also creating my own sauces. So all I'm doing and then I'll just mix it, so but again, you can do what you need to do to your own taste and liking. But meal prepping is definitely has a lot of benefit. I know some of you guys might think, oh, it's so it takes a lot of time, you have to do different recipes. Like I said, guys, me personally, I don't mind eating the same food 2 to 3 days in a row, because I've made it and I know it's delicious. Okay. I don't mind, and a lot of the time you can jazz your food up, you can jazz it up. So for instance, this pasta bowl right now, if I wanted to add a piece of salmon next to it, I can. If I wanted to top it up with some prawns, or if I wanted to just top it up with some spinach, there are all ways to jazz up the same meal. So for me, I don't mind making a recipe and eating it for the next 2 to 3 days. So for me, how I reduce my meal prep time is eating the same food 2 days in a row does not bother me. 3 days in a row doesn't bother me, as long as the next time I meal prep, it'll be a different recipe. But yeah, guys, so I know this is very simple. So this is just my simple weekday quick lunch meal prep, and I won't eat another meal. So usually when I do meal prep, I meal prep and then that is my lunch for the day. Not to say that I eat once a day, but that is my main meal for the day. So I really try my best to make sure that I've got all the elements of a nutritious meal when I am meal prepping. So one of the benefits, if I haven't said it already, you save time. Whenever you are meal prepping, you save a lot of time, because once you've finish doing your meal prep, you put it in the fridge. All you ever need to do is either, if it needs to be warmed up, you take it out the fridge and then you warm it up, or you can eat it straight cold. A lot of the times when I make this type of pasta salads, I don't have to reheat it, so it's convenient for that purpose. It's better, you can better manage your portion. One of the other benefits to meal prepping that I think is really handy is cost effective. Yeah, you know, it also lowers your stress. When, like, funny enough, research shows, you know, that it can lower the stress because you're not always thinking about what you're going to eat every night. That's the container I use, and you know, it's a nice size, and that fills me up for the whole day. So yeah, so you're not worried or thinking about what you're going to eat. You know, you're not thinking after a long day you're going to now come in and you're going to meal prep. You know, obviously, you know, if you have somebody who cooks for you, amazing. But you know, if you don't have anybody who cooks for you and you're by yourself, or if you are the main person who does cook, save yourself time and hassle and meal prep, so you ain't got to worry about nothing. Okay, put it in the fridge, tell the kids, tell the husband, tell the wife, listen, all labeled up, and yeah, any leftover, just clean fill it, and then you know, you can mix it, jazz it up, do what you need to do with it. But yeah guys, I hope you are enjoying, you know, my tips regarding meal prepping. You know, it's very simple to do, straightforward, and you know, you can really make it fun. You can pretty much schedule a weekly, monthly meal prep. You know, like, meal prep is not limiting. You can do like a whole spread calendar, week by week, and then what you eat within that week, meal prep. So when you are going into the shop, you know exactly what you're going to spend, you know exactly what you're going to buy, and you know, you're budgeting. If you are looking to kind of, you know, cut down on your expenses and cut down, you know, on what you purchasing, meal prep is really going to help you. I really found when I have meal prep, it has been so convenient for me. Like, I have it in the fridge. I get up, if I'm running late for work, I don't have to be stressful or worry about anything because I've meal prepped it. I actually get more stressed out when I'm not meal prepping, because I'm like, great, now what am I gonna eat today? You know, especially for me, I don't know if many of you guys know, I actually do not eat meat. So for me, I can't just go and buy anything. I have to check, is there any type of meat in there, you know, and I'm quite particular with my food, oddly enough. But I think most of us are a bit fussy when it comes to eating. So yeah, most of us tend to be a little bit fussy when it comes to eating, and you know, it is what it is. We like what we like and we don't like what we don't like. But yes guys, I hope you've enjoyed my tips, and these are just my tips. Meal prepping, it has been very beneficial for me. I really see a difference when I meal prep. I see the weight loss when I meal prep. I see that I'm not stressful when I meal prep, you know. And it's not just for my work lunches. I meal prep, you know, when I'm trying to, I've got a lot to do during a weekday and I want to just don't hassle free. When I want to live that hassle free, I keep it in the fridge, the family can have some, and it is what it is. But guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you are new to the channel and you have not subscribed, I really don't know what you're waiting for. So guys, if you want to see more content, check me out. Put the bell notification so you always notified when I post. And what I do is, I always, when I'm meal prepping, before I go, I always like to have a fruit salad and my main meal. I must have my fruit and I must have my main meals, and I eat that once, and or I can alternate. So sometimes if I'm hungry for breakfast, I've got my fruits and I can have that for breakfast, or you know. But yeah, so I always have to balance the two. But this is it. What I'll do now is I keep it in the fridge, and then whenever I need it, I'll just literally pick it up and go. And these little boxes, you can order these from Amazon, any kind of online packaging store website. They're very, very good portion controls, and there's different sizes. I really like this because they're compact. They fit in my, you know, my work lunch bag, and I can even fit in my handbag, and they're still quite well as well. So guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.